What is up, everybody? ResM3 back here again with another video, and today it is hot as heck. Happy 4th of July, everybody. Today we're going to be doing our M Performance steering wheel. You can see it right in there. We're going to be talking about that, but first I got to get a cold start for y'all, and we're going to do a quick wash on the car. Even though it's not the most ideal conditions, being really hot and sunny, she needs a wash, so we're going to go ahead and give her a wash. But first, let's get the cold start for the boys. That exhaust rattle is gonna kill me. It's very underwhelming, I know, but that's because I did tune out the cold start. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna wash the car off, and then I'm gonna do a quick overview on the steering wheel and how I feel about it. All right, so let's get this wash done. All right, we got the car washed, as you can see, squeaky clean. But I know why you guys are here, and that is to see my new steering wheel. So let's go check it out, huh? All right, so it's kind of bright right now, but every time you get inside the car and you start it, it greets you like this, and you can see it says BMW M Performance here. It's really hot, so you're gonna have to forgive me. I am gonna blast the AC at least until it cools off. Once you get in it, the next thing you need to do is it has these two buttons here, one right here and one right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys some of the functionality now, but I'm gonna go ahead and switch over to the GoPro. All right, so we got the GoPro going right here. As you can see, to turn on the steering wheel, we got two buttons right here. Sorry for my limp hand, just had surgery Monday, but still out here making content. Go ahead and press these two buttons, and right now I usually have it set, I don't know if you can see that right there, I usually have it set to the coolant and the oil temperatures because honestly, this is a track oriented steering wheel, so I'm not really at the track, but I do like to monitor at least my oil and my coolant temps. But if you hold the left button pretty hard right here, you hold it for a few seconds, you get into the menu here. So as you can see, the menu, it has the Eco Dynamics mode, which I never use. It has it's kind of, I think this is like sport mode, and then this is like track mode, and then the settings are right here. So this, like I said, this steering wheel is mainly for the track. It has different settings here. You can set it in kilometers, or miles per hour, and Fahrenheit, Celsius, stuff like that. And then right here, my favorite feature of it is the actual RPMs. I have it set to 3,000 because I like to be extra and actually see it whenever I'm driving. Right there, when it gets to 3,000, it actually like lights up like that. That's like my favorite feature completely for this steering wheel, not gonna lie. But you go back here, go back again, you go into your sport mode. You can have like your track time or your lap time, whatever it is, and then it has like the G meters right here. Again, I don't know if you guys can see it that well, but I'm trying my best to show you guys the actual steering wheel here. Again, you hold it back, go into that, you hold it again, and then you go through the motions of like tap. This is like your G sensor right here. Whenever you turn, it'll show you your G's, but it won't go away right away. It'll stay there when you move the steering wheel back upright. Again, oil, coolant temperatures, and then we'll go back, we'll go into your track one. Again, you can store the memory there for the actual setting here, but that's pretty much it. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna go into I'm gonna try to get out of this mode, whatever I did here. Oops. Okay, there we go, we're back in this mode. So we're gonna go for a quick drive down Lakeshore Drive, and then you guys can see it in action. The rest of the video is just gonna be like a point of view drive through Chicago. I hope you guys enjoy it. All right. bike sounds so good. Lost my phone here. Grab it. Woo! It's good, it's good. Alright, we just made it to downtown. We'll add some more clips here in a little bit. Woo! Oh, God damn, fucking Chicago streets.
They're not really fun, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
So we're gonna park right quick and make sure that my front lip is still attached after that dip that we had there. So we'll be right back. Alright, made it to Lakeshore Drive. About to turn this camera on, or just turned it on, about to put it in manual mode. Get it. Fun little drive. Everybody's at the lake over here. Again, my phone keeps falling. Pretty frustrating, but we'll grab that and then we'll keep recording. We're here at a stop. Found my phone. It was way underneath the seat after that drive. We're gonna drive back Lakeshore Drive, but I just wanted to kind of hit you guys up in between the little cruise and stuff. The steering wheel is, again, the M Performance electronic steering wheel, very track oriented. So I do intend on taking the car to the track at some point, or at least even the quarter mile at first, which I know that's a track, but to me, I feel like I mean more of like a road track, a road course or something like that, autocross type of stuff. So I do intend to take the car there, but first I want to take it down the drag strip. This is actually LimerockM3's steering wheel that he had on his F80 for a brief moment, and I was able to buy it off him. Great dude, was able to ship it out here. I had somebody He wasn't able to ship it out, but I had somebody meet him there, pick it up, and then ship it for me. But again, the steering wheel is awesome, full Alcantara all the way around. It's a lot thinner than what my original, or than my steering wheel that I had bought previously. But I think it's definitely worth it for everything that it does offer. So we're gonna go ahead and take it back to Lakeshore Drive, do a quick drive the other way around, and then we're gonna end the video right there. Let me know if you guys like the POV videos. I am gonna make a late evening drive through Lakeshore as well in the POV style. So let me know if you guys like it, all right? So let's go ahead and hit that. Oh, 30. Stage 2, N55 435i, my boy Daniel, and co-pilot Butters. And just like that, we are back home. Did a quick cruise down Lakeshore. Tried to race a Mustang, but it was, I don't know, he wasn't really going for it. And then I kind of messed up the race anyway, so I can't blame him all the way. He was making a lot of noise, but we'll never know. If he just was too scared to get the smoke, you never know, you never know. Just kidding, I'm only stage 1, but it's still pretty quick. But I hope you guys do like the steering wheel. It is, again, pretty cool. And it is a cool story behind it as well, being that I bought it from Lime Rock. But here it is, again. It's pretty cool if you ask me. Definitely do like the steering wheel. Would recommend, especially if you're more track focused. So you guys already know what to do. My hands all like bent weird, but remember, comment, like, and subscribe for more. Let me know if you like more of those POV videos, because I do intend on doing a few more. All right, Rez out. Hey, remember to comment, like, and subscribe for more. Rez out.
Until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drown in my